Hello everybody. Today we will understand the chapter The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. The chapter deals with the situation in which human consideration overpower narrow considerations of national duty. The theme of the chapter. The story deals with a conflict between a man's duty towards the state and towards his own conscience. In fact, the story raises questions about ethics of a human being at the time of war. The writer brings home the idea that there comes a time for a man to rise above petty considerations of race, state, or nationality and act in human consideration. This is what happens in the story when Dr. Sadao, the protagonist of the story, rises above national consideration and acts on human consideration. Dr. Sadao is a patriotic Japanese and he hates Americans as his enemies. Like his countrymen, for Japan is at war with America by chance. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore near his home near the beach. Dr. Sadao and his wife Hana overcome their initial feelings of animosity towards the wounded soldier and carry him home. They fear that for this unpatriotic act of harboring an enemy, they may be arrested and even executed. But they strongly feel that they cannot let a man die before their eyes without doing anything. Dr. Sadao operates upon the soldier and saves his life. Dr. Sadao tells the old general everything. The general promises to send his private assassins to kill the American soldier quietly and secretly. However, he does not send any killer. We feel that he might have ignored the matter out of human consideration. So, Dr. Sadao arranges a boat for the enemy to escape to a safe place. By this noble act, he shows that human consideration should overweigh all other considerations in certain situations. The message of the story: The Enemy is an anti-war story. In this story, the writer denounces war and describes its evil effects on life of normal people. She states this idea by presenting an American wounded soldier who has to face the fury of the weather and the hostility of the Japanese people. She also conveys the message that during the war, an enemy should be treated with kindness. The writer also conveys that a doctor should transcend nationality, religion, caste, and creed. He should act like a true human being and serve the ailing humanity. Dr. Sadao, a Japanese doctor, gives shelter to an American wounded soldier in his house. The doctor treats him like a patient and operates on his wound. He extracts a bullet from his body and saves his life. Thus, he displays his commitment and devotion to the medical profession. The title of the story: During the Second World War, an American wounded soldier is washed ashore in front of a Japanese doctor's house. He is the enemy of all Japanese people. Dr. Sadao, the Japanese doctor, is a kind-hearted surgeon. He unwillingly harbors him in his house. The servant who consider this prisoner of war as their enemy protest against his presence in the house. They disapprove their master's action. They want the enemy to be handed over to the police. Dr. Sadao and his wife Hana too consider him their enemy, but they are kind-hearted and generous people. In spite of their mental conflict, they save his life out of human consideration. The doctor's commitment to his medical profession urges him to treat him as a patient. Though the couple regards him as their enemy, they save his life. Hence, the enemy is the most appropriate title of the story. Thank you.